We as Wartco Automation and Molding are specialized in quality machine design, manufacturing and software. Also, we are the industry leader in manufacturing steel fabricating machinery. We have created one of the world's most compact, fully automated CNC angle line using a unique approach.
Here we can see the closed-loop encoder measurement and servo-driven feeder. Station 1 and 2 are the punch presses that are capable of making punches ranging from 6 to 17 millimeters. The press height is automatically adjusted to the angle width, utilizing a servo-driven ball screw guide. Station 3 is a powerful 200 tons press that is used to groove the angle ends in 45 degrees. Station 4 is a 200 tons shear that cuts the angle beam up to 80 times 80 times 8 millimeters to the specific length. Our customers are more satisfied, since now they can benefit from such a CNC ALW automation machinery due to lower labor costs, increased capabilities and profits.